Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe for a sherbet float inspired by Hocus Pocus. So for this recipe, you'll need 7-Up or Sprite or some kind of carbonated soda, sherbet in any flavor you like, and optionally food coloring if you want a diet green to look like the life potion. And the amount of these ingredients depends on the size you want to make. So let's get started. So you can make your float in different sizes, like a cup or a bowl. And first you want to get started by scooping your sherbet into your glass or bowl. So next we're going to go ahead and optionally dye our soda green so that it looks more like the life potion. So add a couple drops. And mix it up. And add a little bit more. And go ahead and pour your soda and watch it bubble. Here's my sherbet floats, inspired by Hocus Pocus, and you can even enjoy these with other Hocus Pocus themed snacks, like these brownies. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.